Mimì is like a little delicate china teacup. She's so beautiful, but she's extremely vulnerable. Any small thing can chip at her, can tip her, can tilt her, can really affect her.
She's a complex person. She's in love. She suffers from a sickness that is, sadly not possible to cure. She lives her life trying to find the positives. All of us are trying to bring our interpretation through our own experiences and our own character, and we've been very heavily encouraged to really be real. I am trying to really find the similarities between myself or every woman with Mimì. You come and see Anush Hovahannisyan's Mimì or my wonderful colleague Elin Pritchard, and they will be themselves playing the circumstances. And I think that's the beauty of it all.
My relationship with Mimì is I've really tried to allow myself as an artist not to overcomplicate her. We love to be murderers on stage, and we love to be mad, and we love death and destruction and huge passionate love scenes. And actually you've got to strip that all back for Mimì, because she's honest. She's so honest and simple and beautiful and caring. I really adore singing her. I'm singing for my national company, so I feel like I've got the support of my fellow countrymen behind me. It's really strange. I remember I was a student when this theatre opened, and I remember sitting there and thinking, one day I might be on that stage. I never in a million years thought one day I'll be singing Mimì on that stage. Oh my gosh, the audience are so lucky. Anush as Mimì is phenomenal. Anush is a good friend of mine. I've known her for years. She's an absolutely extraordinary soprano and sings Mimì extraordinarily well. And I think she would hopefully say the same about me. If it was me, I'd be going to both nights, because I'd want to see how the different sopranos are singing, the different tenors are singing.
I absolutely adore Elin, and it's such a joy to share the role with her. This role is so precious. Every second of this opera is so precious. Sometimes I wish we could do the opera with two casts simultaneously on the stage. It would be so much fun.